InterLink Labs new update. Security Group, Group Mining. Dear Linkers, the wait is over. InterLink Lab Network has finally launched its long-awaited security group feature, augmented by group mining. Here is the Interlink's recent X post about this development. I will place a link of this post in the description if you are interested in reading its full details.
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do it now for more similar, informative, and useful crypto videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get instant notifications about our upcoming content. For real-time crypto updates and other exclusive benefits, I suggest you to join our WhatsApp channel. The link is provided in the description. Let's dive straight into the video without any further delay. First of all, update your InterLink app so that you could be able to see Security Group tab. This is the newly added tab of Security Group. Tap it, and here is the screen where you can create your security group and earn extra ITLG by group mining. Before we move forward, I strongly recommend that you watch this video till the end without skipping. Even missing a small part could cause you to fail in creating your security circle, miss out on group mining, and lose the chance to earn extra free ITLGs. I will also provide personal assistance if you share any of your crypto-related issues in the comments of this video. I assure you, I read every single comment and do my best to reply with a solid solution. So don't hesitate to comment. Even if you don't have any questions, just drop a simple thumbs up in the comments, subscribe to the DIGITDON channel, like this video, and share it with your friends, family, and Interlink-related Facebook groups. Your small action will not only encourage me to create more helpful videos, but will also support other linkers. Security Group Key Points. Before creating a new security group, I would like to explain some of its important key points. You can join or create up to 5 security groups, and each group can have maximum 5 members. Mining cycles in the security group are 6, as same as routine mining cycles. Each day, you can claim from only one group among all the 5. If you add more than one security group, you can choose the only group that has at least 3 members with at least 2 active members, including you. Understanding security group mining formulas and calculations. These are the formulas based upon which the ITLGs could be mined. Group reward equals 180 times A over 5. Your reward equals group reward times M over 6. Here, A is the number of active members and M is number of cycles you mined. And here is the example. How many ITLG will you earn in group mining? Suppose the group you choose has 5 members and 3 of them are active. Then group reward would be 180 times 3/5, mean 108. Now suppose you mined 1 time after joining the group, M equals 1. Your reward would be 108 times. 1/6 equals 18. Creating new security group. As I mentioned earlier, you can add a maximum of 5 members to your security group. To add someone, you'll need their Interlink ID, phone number, WhatsApp, or email address where you can send them an invitation link, along with their consent, of course. This means the person you want to add should be a friend or family member. You can't just add random people, because even if you know their Interlink ID, you'll still need their contact details to send the invitation. Now, to find the Interlink ID of someone you want to add, tap the Account button. Go to Referral. Then select Human Hash. Scroll up and you'll see the list of your referrals. From here, identify the person you want to add and note down their Interlink ID. Now, on the Security Group page, tap this plus sign and enter your security group name. Remember, you don't need to enter your Interlink ID here, just the name of the group, whatever you like. For example, I'm naming my group DIGITDON 1. Tap Save, and your group will be created. At this point, you'll be the only member in the group, and you can now add 4 more members in your group. It is not necessary that the member you're going to add must be among your referrals. He can be anyone. You just need his Interlink ID, his contact details to send invitation link, and his consent, obviously. Adding members in security group. To add the first member to your group, tap the plus sign. Now enter the Interlink ID you noted earlier from the referral list and tap OK. If the ID is valid, you'll see an invite code and an invitation link. The member can join using either of these, but I recommend sending the link. It's easier. Simply copy the link, tap Share, and send it to them through WhatsApp, email, or any method you prefer. The member will never be added until he opens the link we sent him and accepts your invitation to join security group. So, I am switching to the screen of the member I sent request. Interlink app of the member we sent the link should also be updated. App will automatically prompt updates if required. We are updating the appy. The app has been updated, and here is a response of our invitation link at the member screen. He will simply tap Join, and that's it. Currently, the group is not ready for group mining because it lacks 2 primary criteria, that is having at least 3 members with at least 2 active members. As soon as we will add 2 more active members, the group will become ready for mining and earn extra ITLG for all the group members. These signs will intimate with you which of the group member is active and which is not. You can access history of the group activity by tapping this button. And from here, you can leave the group if intended. Closing remarks. That's all about Interlink's latest update on security groups and group mining. I hope this step-by-step guide has made things easier for you to understand and apply. Now it's your turn. Create your own security group, invite your trusted friends or family, and start mining extra ITLGs together. Remember, the more active members you have, the greater the rewards for everyone. If you still have any confusion, drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to personally guide you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DIGITDON, and share this video in your Interlink WhatsApp or Facebook groups. Your small action means a lot. It helps this channel grow and also spreads awareness among other linkers. Stay connected with DIGITDON for more crypto updates, tutorials, and Interlink guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.